This is some recorded steps on how to use a bottle which has a neck with an opening too small for the standard SealMaster transmitters to fit, how to adapt it using some locally available hardware from your store. So first we start with a bottle. This bottle has a 28mm closure on it, and the SealMaster won't fit in. It was filled with some water, well, nearly 95% filled, the cap left loose, and then it was put in the freezer and frozen. Then a line was drawn around the top of the bottle where we could cut along that line just using a simple hacksaw, and the ice behind it would make it easy to cut, just turning the bottle as you cut. And there's our result. Simply take that bottle, melt out the ice, and you're left with a bottle with an opening big enough to fit a SealMaster and something to hold the SealMaster. Here we're going to use an irrigation pipe, which is 1.5 inches in diameter, or 32mm, similar to that. And you can see in my hand the SealMaster transmitter. The piece of plastic is known as a riser in irrigation terms, by the way. There's another view of the SealMaster and its battery. Putting two bottles alongside and a ruler, we can mark off on the riser where we're going to cut it to get to the right height, with the riser resting inside the carrier bottle. And there's how we mark it. It's been cut, and if you look closely, you'll see there's a vertical cut that extends perhaps 60mm down. That's to enable the riser to splay out a little bit and make it easier to friction fit in the transmitter. It's quite easy to fit in. It sits in snugly, and it would be a good idea with this particular transmitter to fit a little disc that was just about the diameter of the riser so that it would always sit at the same height. Using some sealant, just fill or pot in the riser so that it's centered and at the right height still. Here's another transmitter. This transmitter was made for a 36mm diameter closure, and you can see it fits in the riser nicely and actually lets it sit at the right height. Removing it is no problem. Also, the cut on the riser is a good way to make sure that your transmitter and its battery are aligned with that cut each time you put it through the machine.